Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Recycled Home Decor Challenge. This is being co-hosted by Jessica of Measure and Mix and Sikha of Sikha M. Now I'm going to leave a link to both of their channels below. Please check them out. They do wonderful DIYs. But for this challenge, this is where you would take a recycled material, such as cardboard, paper, glass, or plastic, and make a home decor item. I chose glass. All I did was use an old whiskey bottle, cut a hole in the back, put some Christmas lights, a little string of Christmas lights in there, and glued some little fake leaves that I just got at Dollar Tree, and put a wine bottle cover on the top, a little turkey. Thought he would look really cute for fall and for Thanksgiving. Now I'm going to show you exactly how everything went. Okay, for the first step, choose your bottle. Then you soak it, get all of the labels off of it. Then decide where you want to drill the hole in order to get the cord for the lamp. Now, I've already have mine marked, so it's ready to go. But I do want to tell you that you need to, in order to drill through it, you're going to need a diamond hole saw. Now this one is 5/8 of an inch. Next, now we made a little jig just out of some scrap lumber, and the reason we did this is in order to secure the bottle so it won't move while I'm drilling. And also I'm just going to put a little shop towel here. I'm going to secure this in, and the reason of the shop towel is to keep it from scratching, and it does sturdy it up just a little bit more. So it is ready for me to get this ready for the drilling. So, but before I do that, you have to keep that hole saw from getting too hot. So what I'm using is plumber's putty, and you just make a little dam. I've already got it set. You just make a little dam where you can put water, and that is how I'm going to keep the drill bit cool. Now I'm ready to go to the drill press. Now you can use a hand drill, but we have a drill press, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, let me move it.
Okay.
Now we've got it positioned on the drill press. Now it is the jig is clamped down to make sure it doesn't move. I'm going to add a little water for my little dam that I made. Now I'm ready to drill. Now I have my hole in my bottle. Now, all I have to do is remove the plumber's putty, throw it to the side, and there's my hole right there. Now, I'm going to take you to the second step. Now, for my next step, I'm going to be feeding in Christmas little mini lights that I had left over from Christmas last year. But the good thing is, like Hobby Lobby, I know they have at least some of their Christmas out. They may already have their lights out. I don't know. But they're within a few weeks, I know you'll be able to find these anywhere. So I'm just going to feed these through here very carefully, because this is still glass that we have a hole in, so we got to be real careful on that. And it can be done. You just have to work with it really slow to get them in. Now, they've all been fed in. Just trying to get them a little even. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, because I want this for fall, just a little whimsical lamp for fall. So, what I'm going to do, I've got these leaves that I got last year, I think maybe from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to get some E6000 and just start putting them. Just putting just a little dab. And just start putting them on the whiskey bottle. And I want them to where they don't stay flat. I just want just a little dab where they'll like little real leaves there. And I'm going to do this all the way around. We've got it all leafed up. Next, this is actually for a wine bottle that you would give as a gift or maybe just put out at Thanksgiving. But he is so cute that what I want to do is I'm just going to add him to the top. So I just got some wine corks and glued them together. Now I'm going to add a little, well, first let me see how this is going to work. Because I need something to keep his head from bobbing. I think I got one too many wine corks on here, so I'm just going to take it off. Now, I'm going to add some cotton balls. Just a second, I'm going to go get an extension cord, plug him in so you can see what he will look like. I hope everyone's enjoyed. I want to thank Jessica and Sikha for making this an open challenge. I had so much fun participating in it, and I hope everyone liked the way my little lamp turned out. I just think he is so cute. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate if you would do so now. And I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Bye-bye.